Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do unit number 6 and the book name of maths wise. Exercise number 1 and 2, unit 6, time, remembering AM and PM, midnight, 12 AM, midnight, and the PM, the midnight. Exercise 1, look at the timeline above and answer the following question. Rewrite these times in order, starting from the earliest: 3 PM, 4 AM, 2 AM, 7 PM, 10 AM, 5 PM, 12 noon, 4 PM, 2 AM, 4 AM, 12 noon, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, and 7 PM. Okay, are this time AM or PM? 2 o'clock at night, 2 AM, 11 o'clock at night, 11 PM, 4 o'clock in the evening, 4 PM, 10 o'clock during the day, 10 AM, 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 AM. Are these time AM or PM? 30 minutes after midnight AM, 8 minutes to midnight into PM, 9 minutes to 12 noon AM, 10 minutes after 11:55 PM AM, 6 minutes after 12 noon equal PM. Clock. Longer hand of a clock represent the minutes, shorter hand of a clock represent the hours. Look at the clock faces below. 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past, 15 minutes past, 20 minutes past, 25 minutes past, and 30 minutes past. And the value of 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay. Exercise 2, read the time on the each of the following clock. Add right in the space. 20 minutes past 3 o'clock, 5 minutes past 2 o'clock, 30 minutes past 2 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. 15 minutes past 4 o'clock, 15 minutes past 7 o'clock, 10 minutes past 8 o'clock. Okay, digital clock. Read and write the time from the digital clock: 5:10, 5:10, 11:30, 11 minutes 30 seconds, 2 minutes and 28 seconds, 12 minutes and 3 seconds, 12:03 minutes में 5:10, 11:30, 2:10, the value 2 hours and 28 minutes, 5 hours, 5 and 10 minutes, 11 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours 28 minutes, 12 hours and 33 minutes, 6 hours 1 minutes, and 4:52, 4 hours and 52 minutes. Okay. Exercise 4, complete the time pattern in the following clock: 3:10, 4:10, 5:10, 6:10, 7:10, 11 o'clock, 11:10 AM, 11:04, 11:20, and 11:30 and 11:40. Addition and subtraction of time. Exercise 5, each clock face on the left shows a certain time. On each of the blank face on the right show time 2 hours after that shown on the left. Write the new time: 7:10, 10 minutes past 7 o'clock. The value of 5, 10, 10 minutes past 5 o'clock. Okay. 11:50 or 10 minutes to 12 o'clock, 10 minutes to 12, 1 o'clock equal 1 o'clock and 11 o'clock, 12:30, 2:30, the value, and 110 10 and 3 10. Exercise 6. Each clock face on the left show a certain time on each of the blank clock faces on the right show time 2 hours before that shown on the left. Write down the new time. 2:25, 4:45, 12 5, 12 5, 2 5, and the value of 6 45, 6 45. Okay, 10:40, 8:40, 8:20 and 6:20 is your answer. Exercise 7. Work out these following. 23 plus 78, 101 hours. 634 hours plus 63 hours. When we add these values, we get the answer 697 hours. 969 hours plus 777 hours. When we add these two values, we get the answer 1746 hours. 164 hours minus 121 hours, we get the answer 43 hours. 78 hours minus 49 hours equal 29 hours. 100 hours minus 74 hours equal the value of 74. Subtract from the value 100, we get the answer 26 hours. 501 hours minus 396 hours, we get the answer 105 hours. Exercise 8. Taimur spent 5 hours in school and played for 1 hour. After that, how long did he spend away from home? He spent in school 5 hours. For playing equal 1 hour. Therefore, total time he spent away from home equal 5 hours minus 1 hour equal 6 hours. Zahid started to do his homework at 3:30 p.m. and finished his work at 5:30 p.m. How long did he take to do his work? He finished his work in total time 5:30 p.m. minus 3:30 p.m. equal 2 hours. 3 hours 30 minutes and 5 hours 30 minutes. The bus from Peshawar reached Islamabad at 7 p.m. If it took 7 hours to complete the entire journey, when did it start from Peshawar? Arrival time 7 p.m. as it takes 7 hours to complete its entire journey. Therefore, it started its journey at 12 noon. Fariha wanted to cook biryani for her parents. She prepared the ingredients for 2 hours and it took her 1 hour to cook. How much time did it take her to get the biryani ready to eat? Total time she takes 2 hours plus 1 hour equal 3 hours. Question number 5. Question number 5 is the chart below given the start from and finish timing of competitions at a race. Look at the chart and answer the question below. Amir, Bilal, Karal, Danial, Imad. Start 11 am and 11:26 am, 11 am to 11:09 am, 11 am to 11:18 am, 11 am to 11:12 am and 11 am to 11:15 am. Who came first? As Bilal finishing time in the shortest one, therefore he won the race. Who came third? Imad came third. Who was last in the race? Amir remained last in the race with finishing time of 11:26 am. How long after Karal did the last person reach the finish line? Karal finished timing 11:08 am. Last person Amir finished time 11:26 am. It took him to reach finishing line after Karal. 11:26 minus 11:18 equal 88 minutes. What is the time difference in the time between the person coming first and person coming second? Finishing time of person coming first 11:09 am. Finishing time of coming second person 11:12 and difference between their times 11 hour 12 minutes minus 11 hour 9 minutes equal 3 minutes. The difference timing is 3 minutes. Calendar, how many days make a month? January has 31 days. February has 28 days or 29 days in a leap year. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. August has 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. November has 30 days. December has 31 days. 7 days equal 1 week. 4 weeks equal 1 month. 52 weeks equal 1 year. 12 months equal 1 year. 365 days equal 1 year. Exercise 9. Answer the following questions. Name the month beginning with the letter J. January, June and July. How many days are there in April? April has 30 days. Write the name of fourth month. Fourth month is April. How many days are there in a leap year? Leap year has days 31 plus 29 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31. When we add these numbers, we get the answer 366 days. Therefore, leap year has 366 days. Okay, 366 days. Write the name of the fifth day of the week. Fifth day of the week is Friday. How many days are there in the sixth month of the year? 6 months has days 181 for the first and 6 months and 184 days for the second 6 months. Write days of the week in the alphabetical order: Friday, Monday, Saturday, Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How many weeks are there in 3 years? In 1 year, number of weeks 52. In third year, 3 years, number of weeks 52 multiplied by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, 156. Exercise 10. Use the calendar of this year to answer the following question. Is this a leap year? Year 2009 is not a leap year. Write the date that falls on the 3rd Sunday on the year 18th March. On which day is the 3rd July? 3rd July is on Friday. Which day is the last day of the year? The last day of the year, Thursday. How many days are there between 23 August and 4 September? There are 11 days between 23rd August and 4 September. Write the date of the 11th Friday of the year, 13th March. Which day of the last day of September? Wednesday is the last day of September. Right day of your birthday, 3rd February 2003. Which day is 2 days before 14th June? It is Friday. What day is a month after 11 May? It is Wednesday. 1 month after 11 May. Exercise 11. Complete the page from the calendar and answer the questions that follow. On which day in 1 December? On Tuesday. Give the dates of all the Thursday of the month: 3rd, 10th, 17th, 24th and 31st. Which day is the 24th of the month? It is Thursday. On which day is Quaid-e-Azam birthday? It is on 25th of December, Friday, December, the value of. Exercise 12. Look at the list of the birthday and answer the questions that follow. Javeria 15, 6, 1998. Danish 11, 1, 1999. Naveen 19, 2, 1998. Faraz 16, 10, 1998. Name the oldest. As birthday of Naveen is on 19th February 1998. Therefore, she is the oldest. Name the youngest. As birthday of Danish is on 11th of January 1999. Therefore, he is youngest. In which month was Javeria born? She was born in the month of June. How many months younger is Danish than Faraz. The Danish is 2 months younger than Faraz. How was born in the second month of the year? Naveen was born in the second month of the year. This is all for today. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.